Luke chapter 10, verse 38 hanggang 42. Sabi po dito, now as they traveled along, he entered into a certain village, and a certain woman named Martha welcomed him, Jesus. And she had a sister named Mary, who also sat at the feet of Jesus and was listening to his teaching. But Martha was distracted with much preparation, so she approached and said, Lord, is it not a concern to you that my sister has left me alone to make preparations? Then tell her that she should help me. Tingnan niyo po yung word na nakalagay. Yan po ay meron tinatawag na exclamation point. Ibig sabihin, tinaasa niya ng boses si Jesus. Sabi niya, Lord, sabihin mo naman kay Mary, nahihirapan na ako dito. Baka pwede naman tulungan niya ako. Hindi niya pinakaisapan si Jesus. Tinaasa niya ng boses si Jesus. Galit siya eh.